Debit card versus credit card, what's the difference? My friend Josh took his girlfriend to a fancy restaurant for a Valentine's dinner. After the dinner, he tried to pay off the bill using his debit card. He got declined twice. To save himself from the embarrassment, he used the credit card. So what just happened there? Josh's debit card was tied up to his checking account. He could only use the available balance in his checking account. As his bill was more than his checking account balance, his debit card declined. That's why he technically borrowed money from his bank through his credit card to pay the bill. So the major difference between debit and credit card is that debit card uses your own money, and when you use credit cards, you use your bank's money. Credit cards allow you to spend the bank's money up to a certain credit limit, but debit card doesn't have such credit limit. In general, credit card is nothing but a personal loan. Bank approved this loan and loaded it onto a card. Every time you swipe this card, you must pay the bank the loan with interest, if not paid on time. Certainly the bank will give you time to pay this back. So why do bank sales encourage you to have a credit card? Banks play a major psychological game here. They know that when people carry a credit card, they feel much prouder, feel rich inside. So they would buy something that they wouldn't buy if they only had a debit card, because your brain would signal you that you only have X amount in your bank account. Now, carrying a $5,000 limit credit card, you would feel the power. You would naturally want to buy more to satisfy your ego. During my stay in bank, I did research and found out that people with credit cards would spend at least $2,000 more in a year than without a credit card. So, is there any major difference between debit and credit cards in terms of spending behavior? The answer is simple. A lot of people fall for the credit card reward points. They believe that they are getting the money back by accumulating reward points. Let's do a math here. For every dollar spent, you would get 1 reward point. If you spend $20,000 a year on your card, you would get 20,000 reward points. 1 reward point is worth on an average 1.5 cents. So if you convert your reward points, you would get $300 back on your spending. If your card has some cashback offer, you might get $600 cash at 3% for your $20,000 spending. So your total benefit would be $900 for using the card. Now, to renew your card, you need to pay $260 as a renewal fee. So your net benefit is $640, $900 to $260. People spend more money on their credit card, so I would say they get nothing in reality. However, bank makes money for every dollar purchased regardless you use a debit or credit card. They get merchant commission from the seller every time you use a credit or debit card. So how to take advantage of credit card without spending unnecessarily? If you're a small business owner, you can use the credit card for your business purchase to get rewards points, and use these points to buy a plane ticket or whatever you like. On the other hand, if you're a disciplined individual, you can use the card to get points and pay off the bill in full each month. You can keep the card as an ultimate emergency. I would suggest lock that card in a drawer somewhere, don't carry it in your wallet. If you're not a disciplined and fall for impulsive shopping, use a debit card. For online ticket booking, online purchase, you could use your debit card. As majority of the cards are issued by either Visa or MasterCard, both cards have similar technology. As long as your debit card has the balance, you can use this as if your credit card. As an ex-banker, I would strongly suggest you never, ever use that credit card to withdraw money from an ATM machine or use your credit card to buy business goods. It will instantly trigger fees and high interest rate. As you can see, you don't need a credit card for your internet shopping or whatever. Use your debit card wisely. So, in your opinion, what is better, debit card or credit card? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel as I share strategies to achieve financial freedom. Now you can check out my stock market investing playlist.